are going outside doing what I don't know how to how I would put it. Is it the necessary evil or the unnecessary evil? Because going the other side and you come back here, you have been talked to, but nothing happened. How did you manage to screen these people when they were joining the party?
You see, people who join the party don't get screened. It's your right to join the party if you want to associate with us. The screening, yes, should take place in getting leadership positions. But, you know, no amount of screening in choosing leaders can determine what is in the people's hearts. That is why the best control for leaders is to have power over them, to remove them when they you know, they don't act properly. So that because people fear to be removed, to be known and removed, they act properly. Even those who would not have acted properly, because they know if they are discovered, there are consequences, they tend to act properly. But you see, you know, like I have said, the difficulties in which all our leaders have to work are not in doubt. And so the temptation, because of those difficulties, are very clear. And in our case, I think one of the things that attracts people to do like what our colleagues did is that they believe or know that if they become friends with the one who holds power, then those of us who feel that they have not acted properly will not have capacity to deal with them because they hide under the power. And this is what you saw happening at Najanankumbi, you know, where now was militarized. You know, there were people being beaten out of the headquarters, protected by police. You saw the chairman.
But has it ever happened?
No, but this is what I'm telling you. So if somebody who is tempted to do what they did knows that he will be protected, then the temptation even becomes bigger.
But of course the police role is to protect people, in case anything will happen wrong.
No,
was it bad for the police to?
The police is not supposed to protect the wrongdoers. It is supposed to actually act on them, not protect them. So that's, you know, if you are violent and so on, then you cannot be protected by the police should arrest you. But so, what your question as to, you know, why they were not screened to have leaders that can do what they did, I think is a combination of the great attraction to do what they did and get away with it, knowing that they are allying with the power. As I have said, it has not only happened in FDC, you saw it happen in UPC. The legitimate leaders of UPC were thrown out of their headquarters in Uganda House, guarded by police, and they have never come back. You have here in Gulu the unknown agreement between Norbert Mao and Museveni. The DP members up to now, I think, are still inquiring what kind of agreement It was, but they have nothing to do, you know. So I think that was a big attraction for them to do what they did. Now, so we talked about their selfish considerations. But on the other hand, because it's an agreement between two sides, the ones who give them money also want something. So the Museveni whom they work with wants to control the parties. He also has his bargain. These ones want to solve their problems, the other one wants to control the party, to capture the party. Secondly, to use that capture to harass and remove those people that they don't like, you know, and to cause confusion in the membership like we are trying to solve. Create confusion, panic, so that instead of continuing to pursue the objectives for which FDC was formed, we are spending a lot of time trying to sort out those kinds of internal challenges.